What's up, you guys? It's Nate, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a miniature brow tutorial. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be using my box of crayons palettes for a mirror, and I'm going to be using this spoolie brush I got from my local beauty store. It was like $1.99, no higher than $2. you know. So I'm brushing my eyebrows down right now. And my eyebrows are freshly waxed. And I prefer you use, when you get your eyebrows freshly waxed, when you're filling them in, because, it'd be easier. So I'm using this brown pencil I got from Dollar Tree. It was for $1. It'd be a big old long pencil. And I'm filling in my brows, and I start with a line in the beginning. So instead of me trying to make the little lines, you're going to see later in the video what I do with that line. So I'm just filling it in, and it's gonna look like a lot, but later that's when the concealer comes in. So yeah, so while I'm filling in my brows, let me let you guys know something. So this is supposed to be a whole look, like a whole eyeshadow look. I had to stop because I had to go grocery shopping, and I had stopped the whole video, so I had, you know, was doing my eyebrows, and I recorded out to my eyebrows. I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna make a miniature eyebrow tutorial. So, yeah, we're here. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Start with the little line. Do not press hardly because the brown of the pencil come out very easily. So you wanna do it, light. And all the way until you make, a tail, because at the end of my eyebrow, it's kind of missing some, like, so I make sure I always fill that in more. So now I'm going to take the spoolie brush again, and I'm going to brush up where I created the line there. So it's kind of going to give it like a fade effect. So like I said, I don't be liking mine. It's too harsh right there. Like, I don't know. It's just not me. I don't be liking that harshness in my eyebrows. So then I just brush it all over, and that's where the makeup comes on a brush. That's why I'm like, make no sense to do all that. You got makeup on a brush. Yeah, so I'm just brushing it up and just blending everything in. So now this is where the magic comes. So I have my LA Pro concealer in a shade Fine. And so what I'm gonna be doing with that, I don't use it straight out the tube. I was about to, then I thought about it. So so what you're gonna see me doing, I'm gonna squeeze some on my hand, and then I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's a MAC 250 brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. Y'all gonna see. It's kind of big, so yeah. Now I have the brush, and I'm gonna be dipping it into the concealer on both sides. Then I'm gonna start at the tip or the beginning of my brow and lightly go across. So right here, what I'm doing, I'm basically cleaning up the little extra brow pencil that they have on there, and just creating a shape that I like. And I'm not a professional or nothing, so my brows are to how I like them. So yeah, they might be too thick, not looking right. They look right to me, so that's all that matter. And I don't know why my crazy self got the thing all in the camera. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the brows now with the concealer. Then I'm bringing the concealer down. And when you do that, I prefer, I don't know, a lot of people like using a light concealer, but I like using concealers like to my complexion because I don't really like the light concealers because if I'm just wearing my eyebrows and no makeup, what's the point? I'm not no professional makeup artist. That's my opinion. And yeah, so I'm going in with the same color. And I'm going in with the same color, and I'm going. This is where I create the shape at the top, right there. And yeah, just look. I'm not a good explainer. Y'all just see. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and see that left eyebrow really be blowing it. It's like every time I be doing the left eyebrow, it do not want to just act right. And you know your brows are not twins; they are sisters from another mister, so they not gonna always look alike unless you a beast and you know how to really do that. So, yeah. So I'm gonna just go in, and I don't really put as much as at the top like I do at the bottom, because at the top, like I said, just wearing eyebrows is gonna be too much. And then when I do eyebrows, lashes, gloss, and I'm out. And that's it. So right there, I'm gonna be taking a little beauty blender, and I'm gonna be like blending it in. Wow, fuck, I put it down, and I went and got the little purple brush, and I'm blending it in. And you see how I'm wiping it, cause it's like it be too much at the top. I just be wanting a natural look. So I'm just taking it and blending it. And that's really it with the brows. And like I said, it was supposed to be a whole look, but I'm going to do the look tonight. I'm for sure going to drop it. So, yes, subscribe, like, and thank you.